this tutorial, I will walk you through how to apply for the health and safety and the recruitment bonuses. First, gather the documentation required for your employee. For the health and safety bonus, they will need a copy of the DCF transcript that shows that they've taken the health and safety courses of the 45-hour class on or after July 1st, 2022. For the recruitment bonus, they will need documentation proving that they have completed 120 hours of employment, such as pay stubs. Once these documents are saved, go to your ARPA account on WebAuthor and click on the ARPA menu. In your center, click on the button that says Educator/Director Request. Since all of your employees have been added in already, click on the arrow where it says Staff and select the staff member you're going to complete the application for. Currently, we're only accepting applications for the recruitment bonus and the health and safety bonus. The class bonus for pre-K and the class bonus for infant toddler, as well as the upskill director bonuses, are not open yet since those courses have not been taken. Select the bonuses that your employee qualifies for. And as you scroll down, you will see that an amount is in the total requested. For the recruitment bonus, upload the documentation that we had previously saved. And then click Yes to confirm that this employee has worked the minimum 120 hours since July 1st, 2022. For the health and safety bonus, select the documentation that proves that they have taken the health and safety courses from DCF, and then click Yes to confirm that this is true. Next, you will need the signature of the applicant. This is the signature of the employee, not the owner who's filling out this form. This may be filled out one of several ways. Your employee may come here and sign themselves using the mouse, or they can sign up using a mobile device. Click on the link, enter in the employee's mobile phone to let them know that they're going to receive a text message for signature. If you're using this method, ensure that your employee finishes the signature and that you have it back on the screen before you navigate away from it. If not, the signature will not be captured and the screen will not be completed. Once your employee signs, click Yes to confirm that this is the signature of the employee. And now you, as the manager of this account, need to complete the rest of these questions. Is the applicant a Florida resident? Yes. Does the applicant have the sponsorship of your early learning childcare program? Yes. Is the applicant still employed at your early learning childcare program? And answer that as well. Answer the next set of questions. Has the applicant completed a background screening? Has the applicant completed 120 hours of employment? Once those questions are answered, proceed to the next section, and here the provider representative will be signing. Once this is signed, confirm that the information in this application is true. Once that's completed, click on Save Entry, and your first application for the health and safety and recruitment bonus has been completed. Once you have submitted the application for the health and safety and/or recruitment bonus, the Early Learning Coalition team will review the application. If you need to add any more employees that qualify for these bonuses, click on the ARPA main menu to return to the school profile, and then click on Educator Director Request and continue to add anyone that qualifies for these bonuses. Thank you very much.